How to set the side button to open your favorite game like Fortnite, Candy Crush, or PUBG. First tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Now scroll down, and in here, tap on advanced features. Next, go down, then tap on side button, and then tap on double press. Make sure you turn on double press, and then scroll down. In here, select apps from the menu items. On the right hand side, tap on the settings icon. Now we scroll down here and select your favorite games. So depending on what you have installed on your device, select the available games showing in here. So let's scroll down and see if there's any games that we can select. So Rise of Castles or PUBG Mobile. Yeah, I will select PUBG Mobile. So tap on the home button after that. Whenever you feel like playing games, or if you're waiting at an appointment and you're bored, you can double press on the side button to quickly launch your game. And that's it. Now you can go ahead and play your favorite game with a click at your fingertip. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.